Alright, so hi guys, this is Ankar from Soap back again with another unboxing video. First of all, I'm really sorry guys. I was not active for quite some times due to some work, So, alright, so I just received this package from Me India. I had ordered Xiaomi's new Poco phone, Poco F1. I bought this in Me India's first sale. So this is the package. So this one is 6 GB RAM with 128 GB or something with internal storage. Right, so without further ado, let's open this package. Boom. Something else. So here we are greeted with this Poco logo, Poco by Xiaomi. So this is steel blue with 6 GB RAM, 128 GB internal storage, and here are some quick specifications. Just pause the video and just look at it. Made in India. Right, so let's open up this package. It seems this package is already open or what? Is there any seal? Yep. Let's break this up. Oops. Alright. Okay, so what do we have here? RF exposure. I think this is a quick start guide, which you won't need this. Alright, this must be the case provided in the box. Alright, so this is a TPU silicone case, clear case. That's good. Okay, so this is the phone itself, Poco F1, and the charger in style. And a charging cable. I think this is USB type C. Yep. Okay, and what else do we get? An SIM ejecting tool. So I don't have to show this thanks to you guys. Alright, so this is the phone itself, Poco F1 with Qualcomm Snapdragon 845, liquid cooling system, AI dual camera, dual pixel autofocus, 4000 mAh, high capacity battery by Xiaomi. Okay, so alright, so let's peel this off. Can I take this off? Forget about it. Let's put up the device and peel this off as well. Okay. Okay, so MIUI 9 lightning fast. This United States. Choose a region. India. Because I love my India. India. Okay, one Laos. Okay, skip the step. Set up as a new start. Skip the step. Skip. More. I agree. No thanks, not right now, because this is not my phone. This is my brother's phone. Skip this step. Skip. I'll skip all the steps. Alright, so Poco. Setup complete. Allow. Alright, so this is how the display looks. Let me quickly change the wallpaper first. Recently used. How about this? Set both. Nah. Alright, let me use this. Apply. Boom. So this is how the phone looks. About phone. And version 8.1.0. Model name. RAM 6 GB RAM. Internal storage 117 available from 120 GB. Let me quickly check the camera. Allow. Okay, AI camera. Boom. Oh, it's pretty good. Right guys, so this was the quick unboxing of Poco phone by Xiaomi. If you guys like the video, please do hit like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Peace. Eyes in the sky.